Welcome to Now. Join us for this exclusive look inside our cutting-edge facilities. The journey starts in our receiving area, where every raw material undergoes thorough inspection and sampling to ensure adherence to our stringent standards. In our advanced laboratories, we perform over 31,000 quality tests per month, ensuring purity, potency, and safety. Our skilled scientists leverage state-of-the-art analytical instruments to uphold the highest industry standards. Once approved by quality, ingredients are secured in our automated storage and retrieval system. This cutting-edge technology safeguards each component, ensuring precision and traceability for every batch. Now's LEED Silver certified manufacturing facility is designed for efficiency and sustainability. With high-speed roller compaction, blending, gravity-fed encapsulation, and tablet pressing technologies, our automated systems transform raw materials into premium dietary supplements with unparalleled consistency. Innovation at Now extends into our high-speed packaging lines, where automation drives efficiency from bottling to boxing, with robotic systems ensuring precision, speed, and reliability at every stage. Every finished product undergoes a quality inspection before it leaves our facility. Once inspected, it is sent to our warehouse system. From there, the products are transported to our state-of-the-art distribution center, where our pick-to-voice technology enables seamless order fulfillment for customers around the world. Thank you for joining us for this inside look at Now.